So today's video is going to be how to size your gel X. So we have the natural, long, and medium. And right here on the left, you're going to see the medium size. On the right, you're going to see the long. So if you want to be a baddie, go for the long. But today we're going to go with the medium because I need to be practical. So I'm going to grab the largest size first, and you're going to see that the gel extension actually hangs off of my natural nail onto my skin, which means that when we use the extend gel, it's actually going to touch our skin, which can cause irritation and allergies. So since we know 0 was way too big, we're going to try number 1. And number 1 seems to be a better fit, but just in case number 2 is an even better fit, we're going to try that. We're going to see what number 2 looks on the nail as well, so you can see what a tip that's way too small looks like. If you have to force your tip onto your nail, it's not going to be comfortable when it's on and adhere to your nail. So you don't want to force your tip on. If anything, if the tip is ever so slightly too big, you can file the edges down to fit your nail a little bit better. So we're definitely going to go with number 1. And then we're going to do the same thing for all of the other nails. So for the pinky, we're going to start with the smallest size, which is number 9. We're going to test fit that. It seems like it fits. It could be a little snug, but we're going to try 8 just to see. And number 8 does fit a lot better. It doesn't fit so snug on my nail, and I don't have to file anything off. So again, I'm just going to follow up on all of the nails with that and just go through the other numbers and see which one fits. Typically for me, it's going to be my thumb is biggest, then my middle finger, then my ring finger, then my index finger, then my pinky. So typically I know that the sizes are going to go down and decrease in number as I go from those fingers. Sometimes my index finger and my ring finger actually match up and are the same number. So I will apply like tip number 6 to the index finger and to the ring finger just because they fit, and I don't have to file anything and nothing's too snug. And every time I do my nails, I always size to make sure I don't keep a note and go based off of the same size every single time, because sometimes are going to be a little bit different than others depending on how my nails grow out and if they're shorter, if they're longer. So I always resize and triple check before I start the prep process and applying the primers and dehydrators. So in this case, we are going to do a little bit of modification for the ring finger just on the corner. Just a little file. You don't need to file too much because it is soft gel that is made into a tip form. So if you file too much with anything that's coarse grit, it is going to file it and it's going to ruin the nail, the extension. And then after that, you're going to follow through with steps 1, 2, 3 and apply it. And I have that in another video.